In most cases, gaining weight is a non-negotiable part of eating disorder recovery. I used to assume that I could heal my distorted, negative thought patterns while maintaining a body within my comfort zone, but I now realize that's both unrealistic and unhealthy. It's choosing recovery on my own rigid terms. It's still giving the eating disorder a foothold in my life. It's keeping the behaviors in a safe, secret corner where I can access them anytime I want. But if I'm going to pursue recovery, I have to be all in. I have to accept everything that comes with it. I have to embrace a new mind and a new body. I have to learn to appreciate my reflection in the mirror, not the undernourished shell of a human I used to be, but the vibrant woman I'm fighting to reclaim. And if knowing her means restoring my weight, then I'm learning to make peace with that too.